These allergies are really hitting. Hey babes, what's up? It's Lorena. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Lorena. I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos, and I've been trying to stay on my grind lately with all this extra time. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a few items I picked up from Ulta and TJ Maxx right before I locked myself up into my little ivory tower room. And I've been here for a few days now. It's getting really hard. So, you know, to all my peeps, hang in there. We're going to get through this. But yeah, just wanted to share these items with you. I'm very excited to incorporate them into my routine, specifically the skincare items. And of course, I'm just taking some like extra time for some self-care during these difficult times. So make sure you do that for yourself as well. But without further ado, let's get into this haul. So I decided to pick up a few items that I was running really low on before, again, I locked myself in. I haven't gone out, so I'm really doing the social distancing thing and taking it seriously, and I think everyone should. But yeah, I picked up these things from Ulta before they closed. And the first thing I got is actually this little daytime skincare set. I was running low on my moisturizer, but I've also been noticing that I've been having a lot of breakouts. I don't know if it's because of the weather or because it's been that time of the month, but I really wanted to expand on my day skincare routine because also my skin has been very dry these last few weeks. So I found this, oh, it's a little dirty with my fingerprints, but I picked up this skincare set from Mamonde. It's their K-Beauty Essentials. So it comes with a cleanser, a toner, a serum, and a day cream. And I'm very excited to use this. It was only $32. I think it retails for more than $50. So I'm really saving a lot of money buying this set. I'm very excited to use it, and I just think it's a great price for all the products you're getting. So I'll keep you guys updated on how these products work with my skin and if I recommend them. I was also running super low on my nighttime cream, and I highly recommend a night cream because they help keep your skin much more hydrated, and it just does a whole bunch of work that your day cream probably can't do because like of makeup and things. I was very excited to find out that Ulta now has a lot more affordable skincare options available. And you know how like Ulta is like split in the middle, like one side is the high-end stuff and the other side is the drugstore stuff. They have a lot more drugstore style skincare items available there, so I highly recommend you guys check them out. But the one I picked up is from the brand Derma A or Derma E, I don't know how you pronounce it, and it's their Vitamin C Intense Night Cream. And I love vitamin C based products because they typically make my skin glow. They also reduce fine lines and wrinkles and little dark spots, which I have a few from a little breakout I went through. So this was only $12. I'm very excited about it, and it's vegan, so we'll see if I end up recommending this product, but I'm very excited about it. Another skincare item I picked up is from the brand Freeman, and I love this brand. They just didn't have in stock my favorite like honey cleanser and clay mask because it's amazing, so it was sold out. But I ended up picking this one up. I've never tried it before, and it's their Anti-Stress Dead Sea Minerals Clay Mask. It's a 10-minute mask, and it's for all skin types, and it helps to instantly clear pores and balances for renewed skin. I love using these masks at night or in the morning when I feel like my skin just needs a little bit of something extra to pull out like dirt or gunk that's just in there. These are so affordable. It was under $5, which I think is amazing because you get a lot of product out of it, and I just highly recommend all the products from this brand. But yeah, I'm excited to use this, and it smells so good. As I told you guys before, I was super invested in my skincare on this trip, so I picked up 2 sheet masks. This is the Yes to Grapefruit Brightening Vitamin C Glow Boosting Bubbling Paper Mask. I've never tried a bubbling mask, so I really wanted to see what it was like. This mask was a little expensive. It was, I believe, like $3, and I typically buy my paper masks in like bundles, like they come with like 5 to 10 for like $6 or something. But I decided to invest in this because it's a really good brand, and again, I wanted to try a bubbling face mask, so I'm excited about this. In addition to that mask, I also picked up this Nourishing Honey mask from Tony Moly, and it's one of those sheet masks. The directions are in Korean, but basically it says honey mask that deeply nourishes tired skin, and I think honey is one of the best things you can put on your face. Like, it has so many amazing things that it does for your skin. I recommend you guys research it. It's just awesome. But I decided to pick this up. It was like $4, which again is kind of expensive for a mask, but it's Tony Moly, so I decided to splurge a little bit. So yeah. The last thing I picked up is this ColourPop opened it, but it's this ColourPop lippy sticks in the shade Gold Digger, and it's a matte lip pencil, lipstick pencil, lip crayon. It's a lip crayon. I love the color of this. You guys know I love like mauvey pink colors. I think they go so well with my skin tone, and these are so smooth. Like, I just think that this goes perfectly with like my style of makeup, so I'm very excited about this. ColourPop lippy sticks are about $7, which is a little bit pricey but not too bad, and they're a really great formula, and they just like are awesome because they're cruelty free. So I'm excited about that, and that was everything I got from Ulta. Now let's move on to TJ Maxx. You guys, the magical place of TJ Maxx always somehow like lures me in, and of course I found myself there looking for a few more skincare items before I locked myself up, and of course I ended up finding a lot of really awesome things because it was pretty empty and very well stocked. I know they're closed now, but you know, when they open again, I'm sure they're gonna be really well stocked. So I highly recommend that when all of this is over, you guys go and check it out. So as I told you guys before, I was super focused on replenishing my skincare essentials during this store run. So I picked up this By Nature from New Zealand Rose Water and Collagen Restoring Sheet Mask Set. It comes with 5 of these little sheet masks, and they're moisture replenishers with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, so they're really good for your skin, and I love products that smell like roses. I can't help it. I love them. This set with 5 different masks cost $5.99, and that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about for a sheet mask set. Yes! They had so many of these boxes with different sheet masks, but I was super lured in by this cold brew face mask limited edition 5-piece collection. It's from the brand The Creme Shop from Korea, and it comes with 5 masks. I don't know if I said that already, but okay. I've never tried masks that smell like coffee, and I just like was like, oh my god, that sounds awesome. Hopefully I like these. But these say that they help to energize tired skin, help boost circulation, reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffy eyes. So of course I want all of those. So this little set of 5 masks was only $3.99. Hopefully I like the smell, hopefully I like the results, but it was a good buy, I think. I love sheet masks. Another product that I was super excited about is this Body Prescriptions Girl Power Exfoliating Body Scrub, and this is in the scent of Wild Rose. It was only $6.99, and it smells amazing. Like, it doesn't smell like old lady roses, you know? It smells like fresh and clean, and like it reminds me of like pink products. So I really wanted to get a body scrub because I haven't had one in years, and I felt like it was the perfect time to add a product like this to my shower routine. I just thought it was the perfect time to add this product to my shower routine because I have a little bit more time, and also dresses season is coming up, so I want my skin to be looking nice and beautiful and glowy. So yeah, I'm excited about this. Focus on me. The light's about to focus. So right before I came back to Atlanta, I ran out of this primer, and I thought long and hard about reordering it, but I felt like it was kind of expensive, and then the shipping charge and everything, I was like, oh, I don't know about that. But like, the magical place of TJ Maxx had it in stock, and this is the Touch in Sol No Problem Primer, and it's smooth and pore covering. It's like amazing for makeup, especially under my Fenty Beauty foundation. It looks flawless. It makes my makeup last all day. It covers my pores. It just looks smooth. So this was only $9.99 at TJ Maxx. I think it retails for about like 20 bucks or something. I don't know, but I tried this when I used to be subscribed to Boxycharm, and it's just such an amazing product. It lasts for so long. You only need 1 pump every single time you do your makeup. It's just amazing. Highly recommend. I'm so excited about finding this at TJ Maxx. I also picked up this Glam Fox Double Effect Eye Cream with retinol and collagen, and it helps with firming, moisturizing, and revitalizing on your eye contour area. You can use this in the daytime or at night. It's made in Korea, and it was only $5.99. I've had some really amazing luck finding really great under eye cream products at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and I highly recommend you guys try those there because it's so fun to find products that work for you, and it doesn't suck when you find products that don't work for you because you didn't spend a lot of money. So I'm extra careful with taking care of my under eyes because I have such dry skin that I feel like it's easier for me to get fine lines and wrinkles. So I make sure that I always have a good under eye cream, and again, I'm excited about this, so yay. So the last skincare product I got is these Panda Hydrogel eye patches, and they're nourishing and soothing for the skin. It comes with 30 pairs or 60 patches. It was only $8.99, and I think these are so amazing to wear at nighttime for like 10 to 15 minutes, or in the morning while you do your hair or you get your outfit ready for the day, whatever. They just help to brighten up your under eyes so much more. It helps to moisturize them, and it just helps to get rid of any puffiness. So they're just amazing. I think the price of these is so great, and it comes with so many. So now is the time, I think, to incorporate new things into your routines, because again, we all kind of have a little bit more time. So I'm excited about these. You guys, I more than anyone know I should not have bought clothing items, but so you guys, when I went to TJ Maxx, I had no intention of looking at the clothes or the bags. I just went to look at the skincare, but somehow I just ended up seeing some clothing pieces and a bag I really loved, so I ended up getting it. I feel really bad, but I got them at a good price, so let me share with you guys what I got. I found this amazing wicker, I think it's wicker bag that I think is perfect for the spring and summertime. I have been looking for one of these for probably the past 2 years, and I've seen them at Urban Outfitters, at PacSun, and a bunch of other stores for like almost over $100. I was not about to buy one of those, but I saw this one and I was like, oh my god, it's perfect. It has a really cute like faux leather strap. It has a zipper on the inside so that way your stuff won't fall out. It has a lot of pockets. It's very well made. You can take off the straps and just carry it like this, and it was only $24.99. I was like, yes. I thought that this was going to be at least $40 or $50, but it was $24.99. I could not leave it behind. I tried, but it's so great. It's very big compared to other wicker bags I've seen, and I feel like I'm just going to use this for years to come. So I'm excited about this. This with some really cute espadrilles, a nice little spring dress, and such a cute outfit. I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, you guys, I also picked up this beautiful dress. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I might return it when all this craziness is over if I don't like how it looks, but I saw it on the hanger and I was like, oh my god, it's so pretty. So it's this like deep v-neck and low cut back jersey top dress. It's in a beautiful coral red color. I feel like it goes really well with my skin tone. It just makes me think of like spring and flowers and fun colors, and I just think it's so pretty. It comes with a lining under it so that way it's not see-through. The bottom is this beautiful chiffon fabric with pleats, and it's so nice and flowy and pretty and fresh. This dress was $16.99. It's in a size small. I'll try this on. I'll see if I like it and see if I end up keeping it. If you know me, you know that I love scarves. I just feel like they always add such a cool touch to outfits, and I found this beautiful one that's like a beige color with little purple, red, pink, green, blue, and like orange flowers all over it. It just reminds me so much of springtime, and it has these cute little tassels right here. Has little beads on it. I don't know if you can see that. So I found this at TJ Maxx for only $7.99. I thought that this scarf over this little coral dress would be so cute and different. We'll see in the try on portion if it looks nice, but I have a vision. Okay, you guys, so the last item I got in this haul is these awesome sweatpants. I think I only own like 2 pairs of sweatpants, so I felt like it was time for me to get a new pair. These are so pretty because they're like a pastel tie-dye effect. I don't know if you can see it. It's very faint, but it has like blue, pink, orange. It kind of looks like sherbet ice cream. These were only $9.99, and they are fleece lined, so they're super soft. They're going to be perfect for travel, lounging around the house, and yeah, really just those. But they're really pretty. They were a really good price, and I felt like I needed to add them to my wardrobe. So you guys, that's it for this pre-social distancing / quarantine haul. I hope you guys enjoyed these items. I'm very excited about incorporating them into my routine, or you know, trying on a few new outfits for springtime. I hope you're staying safe during this super uncertain time. It's definitely very crazy out there, so please stay safe. Take some time for yourself. Really focus on your self-care, because now more than ever, I think we really need to focus on ourselves. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, as well as hit that subscribe button down below so you can be subscribed to see all my new content. And also don't forget to hit the notifications bell so you can be notified every time I upload straight to your device. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.